Hi guys, welcome back to Laila's home cooking. On today's episode, on your request, I want to show you how I make sweet and sour chicken. It is so simple and easy. We're gonna need lots of ingredients right here. We're gonna start from over here. This is for the sauce, for the sweet and sour sauce. We're gonna need some ketchup, a touch of sriracha or chili sauce, salt, pepper, white vinegar, tomato paste, a little bit of cornstarch, a bit of soya sauce, and then I have chicken, boneless chicken cut into cube, an egg, plain flour, cornstarch, crushed garlic, pineapple chunks. This is a can, you can use fresh obviously, and then I have some red sweet pepper and green bell pepper and an onion which is cut into cube as well. Now first thing I'm gonna do is right now you can preheat your oil, vegetable oil for frying, and we need also a little bit of oil to cook, but right now you can just preheat your oil and you can marinate the chicken and keep it for half an hour, but I'm just gonna marinate it and just make it right away, so I'm not waiting. So to my chicken goes salt and pepper. Actually, I grab the pepper first. Salt to taste. We want to season each step of this cooking. Add your plain flour, cornstarch, and then I'm gonna break this egg. This bowl over here. Just beat the egg before it goes to the bowl. Okay, add this to your chicken. Alright, now I'm just gonna go with a spoon and I'm gonna mix them all. Okay guys, now you can see the consistency that you're looking for. Okay. Alright, so now we're gonna leave this chicken on a side for now, and over here I have some water, and to that I'm gonna add my white vinegar, salt, just a little bit, not too much, black pepper, okay, my tomato paste, touch of sriracha or any chili sauce, ketchup, okay, give this a mix. Now we're gonna add a little bit of soya sauce, about 1 teaspoon, and the cornstarch, and then give this a good mix. Oil is preheating. Now we're gonna start frying the chicken. We're gonna add the chicken one piece at a time, and then we're gonna fry this, not for too long, no more than 3 minutes. We are just gonna look for a light golden brown color on the chicken, and then we're just gonna remove it and set it on a plate. Alright guys, now you're gonna flip the chicken over so it can fry on the other side as well. Now use a fork, it's better, it's easier. Separate them. Okay guys, now I'm gonna remove my chicken and make sure to drain mostly oil, and then we're gonna set this on a plate. You can see I have already fried all of them, and this was my last batch. Okay guys, I in the same pan I'm gonna cook this sweet and sour chicken. So I have thrown mostly oil, and I have left a little bit more than half cup. And to that I have already added a little bit of onion in here just to see if the oil is hot enough. So first thing you're gonna add is the onion only, and then let us saute for half a minute. Add the crushed garlic, or you can just grate the garlic. I don't want to paste it because it's gonna be there's gonna be water in it. So just paste. Don't paste the garlic. Grate or crush would be fine. And now we're gonna add the peppers, green and red, and then we're gonna let this saute for another half a minute. And the fried chicken, we're gonna add this now. And now you're gonna give this a mix as well. And the heat is still over medium to high. Alright. You have to keep stirring them. Add your pineapple chunk. Then we're gonna mix. And the sweet and sour sauce is ready. I have already mixed them. And what I forget to mention is sugar. I did add sugar, white sugar to this. I'm just gonna put all of them in the written ingredient. And now I'm gonna add this a little bit at a time. You add a little bit and then you mix. Now we're gonna add just a little bit, not too much. Salt, black pepper. Alright. Keep stirring. We want this sauce to go in the chicken. Just like so. Keep stirring, keep stirring. And then we're gonna let this chicken cook with the sauce for 2 minutes. And I'm gonna turn my heat off, and I'm gonna add some chopped coriander. Alright. And then we are done. This dish is completely done and ready to serve. Okay guys, my sweet and sour chicken is ready. It is so beautiful. I can't wait to eat. I'm gonna serve this with just plain white rice. I want to show you the consistency. You don't want this to be saucy, to be watery. Just wanna come close, just wanna show you this is what you're looking for. Alright, this is the consistency you're looking for in a sweet and sour chicken. Written ingredient is in the description box. Get it, make it, and let me know how did you like it, how did it turn. If you did like it, your family member like it, just let me know. And you also can follow me on Instagram and post your picture as well there and let me know as well. If you try my recipes, it's gonna be in English and French in the description box. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I will see you next time. Bye.